This $10 million company has plans of investing $50 million into crypto. But is that enough to cause the stock to actually go ahead and 5x? Or is there more to the story? What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to another no BS, non-biased price prediction video. Today, we're going to be discussing Eyen and where do I see this ticker heading from here. Now, with that said, Eyen is currently up over 134%, sitting at approximately $6.90 at the time of filming this video. With that said, what is the news that caused the stock to get up so high? Because the first thing we should want to analyze when a ticker has ran so much is analyze why is it running so much, so then we can actually anticipate whether or not it can consistently build upon these gains, or is it going to be a dupe and it's going to start heading back down? So let's get to the news. When it comes to the news, this is the news regarding the company. So it says, Inova announces $50 million investment to launch hyperliquid HYPE token crypto strategy, treasury reserve strategy. Okay, so they're pretty much going ahead and they're buying $50 million worth of HYPE, okay? HYPE coin, all right? Now, in our Discord, okay, we actually have a dedicated crypto section as well. And we did play HYPE. Let's see if I can find HYPE. Validated, okay. Same as HYPE. As you guys can see, right, we've been playing HYPE for a while now, and HYPE has actually been paying us very well. I think got a nice 16% here. That was Fartcoin, which is a hilarious freaking name when it comes to a freaking coin. If I can find the HYPE stuff. Anyways, so HYPE coin, you know, we traded it multiple times in our community. But when it comes to Eyen, they're pretty much building a HYPE coin reserve, right? It's a legitimate coin. It is a legitimate coin. Now, is it a meme coin? Yes, it is a meme coin. But the reality is that, you know, these layer one blockchain, meme coins, if you were to call them, that doesn't mean that it doesn't have a utility. It does have a utility, right? But it's mostly a meme coin, right? Meaning that it pumps when meme coin season comes around, which is actually a pretty good thing, because when meme coin season comes around, right, you're not going to see a 20%, 30%, 40% gains from the HYPE coin. You're going to see a 400% gains, 500% gains, right? This is extremely, extremely typical when it comes to meme coins, right? And I think HYPE is one of those tickers that will likely last the test of time when it comes to meme coins, right, in the crypto sector, okay? Now, here's the problem though. Okay, meme coins are fine. They're risky, yes, but they're fine. You know, you could kind of argue why it's a strategic move that they're making. It's a risky move, but it's also a strategic move. Okay, all right, okay. But where is this company getting this $50 million? Where are they getting it from? Are they selling their product? Are they raising it by praying and hoping the 50 million somehow comes to them? Or are they going ahead and they're adding 30.8 million shares to the common stock of this ticker? That's what they're doing. There's a stamp. Or was that some club? I don't know what the hell that is. That's what they're doing. That's what they're doing. They're adding 30.8 million. Guys, right now, the total share count of this company is 2.8 million. Okay? They're adding more than 10 times the shares to this ticker to raise the money, to be able to go ahead and buy shares of HYPE. I don't know what the SEC is doing. I don't understand what the SEC is doing to allow for this shit to happen. I don't understand it. This is the newest form of fraud that I'm seeing in the markets. You don't believe me? You know what other company had this exact same news? We'll put it up. Okay, we'll put it up because again, right? Like I'm not getting paid by these companies to talk about them. SRM. $100 million equity. Let's pull up SRM chart. Pump to 11. Today hit 6. It's at 7 right now. Do you know what other company actually had news like this as well? SBT. Do you guys remember SBT? I remember SBT. Let's pull up SBT. There we go. $425 million Ethereum treasury. And they were selling 69 million shares at $6 per share. The stock ran to 100. And then one day, they came out and said, hey, remember we told you guys that we're actually going to sell those $6 shares? Yeah, we're actually going to sell those $6 shares. It went from $32 to $7. This is what you're setting yourself up for. This is what you're setting yourself up for when it comes to playing a stock like Eyen. Play it as a day trade. Tomorrow it could test 10. I'll be honest with you guys. Now let's talk about the chart. Tomorrow it could test 10. I could see it testing 10. I could see a double top at 8. I could see it testing 10. But don't hold this ticker. Don't hold it. It is a day trade. A lot of you guys are dealing with the pattern day trading rule. Don't day trade the stock. This is not a day trading stock. If you want to day trade, there are better day trades. Like for example today, right? Forget about the crypto section. So we do day trading, swing trading, options trading, we do it all, right? Today we called PCSA at 50 to 40 cents. Was at 68. It came all the way down to 40. The bottom of this candle, literally 38.15. Look at where our stop loss was. 38. So it was 15 cents away, 0.0015 away from our stop loss. Okay? But then look at where it went after. Our last target was 75 cents. It went all the way up to 78. So we bought this dip and we sold up here. From 43 cents to 70 cents. That's like a 75% move. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is day trade Eyen. Tomorrow, Eyen can be an amazing day trading stock, but don't hold it overnight. Do not hold this piece of shit overnight. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Don't do it, man. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Okay? That's my take. Now, listen, if you guys do want to trade alongside us every single day, our community has over 400 members. Okay? Give it a shot. We offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. And yeah, you know, people keep coming back. There's a reason why people keep coming back. Wilson says, hi Sam, thank you for hard work on our community. My 7-day free trial finished. It was great. I think you can afford a membership after this week. 7K in 7 days. Do you think it's coming back? I think it's coming back for more. Give it a shot. Okay? And yeah, what I would do if I was in your situation, this is honestly what I would do. I would join, see if I make money. If I make money, I'll come back for more. If I don't make money, I'll wrap it up. I'll be like, yo, I'm done with this. Okay? I'm over it. Okay? We have classes, we have coaching, we have lessons. Give it a shot, okay? Give it a shot. Again, not every day is going to be green. Not every day is going to be green, guys. Remember, not every single day is going to be green. I'll tell you guys why. Because look, this is the win rate I have. 82%. Okay? Almost 500 trades later, 82%. So that means 1 out of 5 times I'm wrong. 80% win rate, that means 20% lose rate. So remember, there's no such thing as perfect. You just got to win more than you lose. That's it. With that said, my friends, I wish you guys the best of luck, man, whether it's in trading or of their life. Thank you for watching. Happy to in trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.